Okay, well, welcome to lesson number 3. Yesterday, let's just review. In lesson number 2, we talked about the difference between heat and temperature. Today, we're going to take some time to focus on that temperature part. So we're going to be looking at the 3 types of scales that we know about in measuring temperature. The first is Celsius, which is what we measure in Canada, the metric system. Fahrenheit, which is often what we think about when we go to the States and we travel, and that's how they measure their temperature. And then degrees Kelvin. Degrees Kelvin is an extreme temperature, often used in science, and we're going to look at today at how we can change that into from Celsius and figure out the difference there. So today in your activity for lesson number 3, you're going to be given a bunch of thermometers, similar to this one up here. And what I would like you to do is read the degrees Celsius on the thermometer and then convert them. So let's walk through this example and see how we do today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read this thermometer. When I look at this thermometer, I can see it goes from minus to plus at the top. Most thermometers go up to 100, but for today, just for example purposes, we're just going up to 45. So we're going to read, like we said, on the thermometer, the red fluid that goes all the way up. When I read this, it says 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we're going to use that 10 degrees and we're going to plug them into these formulas to figure out the difference, to figure out what the formula is. Okay, so I'm just going to go and grab a calculator out of my desk. Okay, and let's see if we can now use this. So I'm going to repeat this, 9 over 5 times, and now I'm going to put in my 10 degrees Celsius. Plus 32. 9 over 5 is in brackets, so I'm going to take 9 divided by 5, and I get 1.8. Now I'm going to go times 10 degrees Celsius plus 32. So 1.8 times 10, we know is 18, plus 32. Plus 32 gives us 50. Okay, so the difference between Celsius and Fahrenheit is 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So that kind of tells you a little bit about the differences between them, okay? When we move to Kelvin, it's more of an extreme. So the constant with Kelvin is 273.15, okay? And that's all we simply do, is we take 273.15 plus the 10 degrees Celsius. That gives us 283.15. So our answer here is 283.15 degrees Kelvin. Okay, so that's how we convert. Today what you're going to find, there is a handout that is posted in the Google Classroom. In Google Classroom in the stream, it's assigned to you as an assignment, or you can go and scan the QR code on the back corner that will take you to the handout. You'll just have to use the paper copy that's provided on the back counter, or you can then print out your own copy. Okay, so good luck. If you need any help, let me know.